So over the course of the past 4 years, I have essentially killed the Alpha M YouTube channel by not focusing on creating better content and basically just trying to do the same stuff that I've done since I started, which, as you can tell, isn't where it's at. I did a lot of other things during that time. I started different businesses. I chased shiny objects. I even built a really cool house. But the thing that I should have been doing was spending time, money, and energy trying to figure out my content and make it better, as opposed to just doing the same stuff over and over and over and over and over again. And so today I want to talk a little bit about it. I also want to tell you what my plan is to try and fix it. It's not going to be fast. It's not going to be a quick fix, but I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I love making content. I love making content as much as I did when I first started back in 2008. But I lost the ability to think outside of my box and think creatively. And so the bottom line is I need your help. I want to hire some of you to join my creative team to start the process of revamping, retooling, and figuring Alpha M out again. Because as it stands right now, it's fucked. So I've got a plan. I don't know if the plan's gonna work, but I gotta try something different because what I've been doing isn't working. About 4 years ago, the world shut down and people's viewing habits and what they were interested in hearing about and learning about changed, but I didn't. I stayed in my rut, I stayed in my box, I stayed in my bubble, and I kept talking about and doing the videos that I thought I needed to do because people used to watch that. I didn't grow. And this is fundamentally what the problem was. I also didn't invest my time, my energy, my resources in order to figure out what the next chapter or what help or what my life on the internet was going to look like moving forward or what people are interested in. I meet a lot of people still to this day that are like, hey, I used to watch your content, or I watched it in high school or whatever. They don't say, hey, I watch your channel now, or they'll say, hey, I watch your new channel now. I started a new channel. Something else that I did this past year, which was the Alpha Mpire channel. It's a business channel. And once again, instead of me investing time, money, energy, and focus in the Alpha M channel, I'm like, let me try another channel, which was, I don't necessarily think a mistake because I think there is a place for my level of skill set in terms of entrepreneurship and making money and things of that nature, but it's different. It's different than the 5 pillars that I focus on here on this channel. Style, grooming, fitness, relationship, and lifestyle. Those are the 5 pillars. I still love making videos. Every day I get up and I'm excited about creating content. What I'm not excited about, though, is doing the same thing and expecting different results, right? They say, as a cliche, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing and expecting something different to happen. I've got to change. And part of that is building a team. Every other business that I have that has been successful is because I basically got out of the way. I stopped micromanaging it and I brought people in to help me. But for whatever reason, I have been so focused on micromanaging and not asking for help on this channel that it has stifled my growth and it has stifled my success. And I'm fucking tired of it. I'm exhausted of being average. And I want to change it. And so here's my plan. I don't know if it's going to work, but I need your help. I want to hire 5 of you. That's my goal, 5. If I get 1, 2, 3, I like 5. If I get 7, I feel like I need to build a creative team. And so what I've got down below is an email address. This is a paid position. I need creative people that get it. And I'm going to know it when I see it. What I want you to do in terms of an audition is send me an email with 5 video topics, titles, ideas, strategies. I don't care. Because I am not trying to dictate or tell you what to do. I want to see what you can bring to the table. When I see a great idea, when I see a great topic, when I get something or I see something that makes me go, damn, I'd watch that, or it's engaging or it's interesting, then I know I've got something special with this person. I am looking for 5 of you to bring onto my team and build a creative team. You don't need to be a video editor. I've got people that I can hire for that. There are agencies out there that I could go to and be like, hey, would you be my brand manager? I don't want that. Every business that I've built has been because I have gone to people that care about me, that I care about, and I have built a family. And that is the reason why I'm asking you for help, as opposed to just going to some agency. I want you to help me. I also need help with thumbnail ideation. I don't need somebody to do the thumbnails. I need creative ideas for the thumbnails, for the videos. And so if you're somebody that is great at ideation or thinking of very clickable, engaging, exciting thumbnails, I want to hear from you. If you're somebody that thinks that they can be a strategist or be on my team and we can collaborate in order to come up with incredibly badass videos that are fresh, that are exciting, that people want to watch, that I want to film and I'm excited to do, I want to hear from you. There's an email address down below. If you're interested in being considered to be on the Alpha M creative team, I want to hear from you. Send me an email with 5 topics, 5 videos, 5 ideas, 5 creative briefs. I don't care what it is. I just need to see that you are creative. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to apologize for not doing this sooner. I'm embarrassed and I'm ashamed of myself. It's insane to me. With everything else that I know in terms of business, in terms of how to grow a business, how to build a team, it's crazy to me that I am literally like the last Indian on the reservation by myself. And I know that this isn't gonna be an overnight thing. It's not gonna be a fast process, but I'm in it for the long term. I'm gonna be making videos in the next 5 years, 10 years. I love making content and I love doing videos that help guys feel better, look better, and just be better. Period. It's the reason why I started. It's the reason why I keep doing it. I've done it for a long time, and I'm not done, but I need your help because I can't do this by myself anymore. I've tried, and I just can't do it. It hasn't worked, and I need to be smart enough to realize it's time to ask for help. And so this is step 1. It may work, it may not, but it's going to take a while. 12 months, who knows? 48 months, I don't know. But I'm here, and I'm going to do the work. Because if there's nothing else that I'm good at, it's putting in the time, putting in the energy, and working my ass off for something that I want and something that I love. And there is nothing more important in my life than you and this channel. Thank you for everything. I love you, and hopefully we get things figured out sooner rather than later. Love you guys. Thank you.